This video will explain the 4 different infusion modes and drug library for the Vetpump Pro VP50 infusion pump and the Vetflow Pro SP50. I'll be using the Vetpro VP50 infusion pump in this video as the 2 pumps have identical software. There are 2 different ways to select your preferred mode. The easiest way is press the bottom on the home screen and select your preferred mode. The second is to select one of the 2 menu buttons and select modes and choose your preferred mode from the list. The first mode is rate mode. In this mode, the user will set the volume to be infused and the flow rate in milliliters per hour. The time required will be automatically calculated. The next mode is time mode. Select the volume to be infused over a certain period of time, automatically calculating the rate. The next mode is body weight mode. You will enter the patient's body weight. Next, enter the concentration. You can select from 11 different units. Mg per mil is probably the most common. Once that is selected, you can select active ingredient volume prescribed in milligrams. Select the volume. The pump will automatically calculate the concentration. Next, press the back button, which goes to the home screen. The next setting is the dose rate. The pump will default to the previous settings. Select No to keep last settings, or press Yes if you need to change this. You will notice the pump automatically calculates the flow rate. Now enter the volume to be infused. The next mode is drip mode. Enter the volume to be infused. Then the drip per minute rate, then press start. If you want to use a drug from the drug library, select home, then select settings, then select drug library. Here you can view commonly used drugs including their concentration, dose range. Select the drug you are using and it will automatically calculate the mode required. You will need to enter body weight. You can also edit the cage number if you move the pump around the clinic to a different cage or kennel.